Hello everyone, welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Delomgji Magnifica espresso machine. Now we just did a tune-up for this machine and I'm gonna do a cappuccino using the steam frother. I'm gonna be using chocolate milk instead of regular milk, which is probably gonna make it harder to actually foam. We don't have regular milk unfortunately. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna start doing our base so we can actually do the cappuccino and use the frother. I'm gonna try to use it in the recording. So bear with me if I make a mess or if it's not that professional. As I'm holding one big tablet while I'm gonna be frothing the milk. Coffee comes out great, excellent color, really good water flow. Alright, and now let's wait for the machine to finish brewing the shot so we can start activating the steamer. Some water fell, okay. Since I'm gonna be using one hand, I'm putting it before the machine's at the pressure. So the machine is not up to pressure yet. You're gonna start seeing it once the milk goes in circles. Like I say, bear with me, it's hard to do with just one hand. But as you can see, we're frothing the chocolate milk pretty good. Let me get the microphone. Alright, gonna stop it right now. We have to really clean this after this. So let's just activate it without anything. And as you can see, we got pretty good foam coming out here. Even though I did it extremely wrong and improperly, we were able to get some really good foam. And as you can see, it's steaming pretty great, the machine. Yeah, using chocolate milk is not the best. Tried to do it hard in there, couldn't do it. And there you have it, the Delomgji Magnifica working once again. And that's just all foam. All that layer is just foam. You saw the little bit what we have of just of crema. So yeah, just all foam. It's working perfectly fine. So there you go, the Delomgji Magnifica working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.